know, got a grumpy. It's pretty good, you know. Hey, it's pretty good, you know. Having a great time, great time.
Grumpy, come on, Grumpy. Grumpy.
From Jay Lawrence's house. All right. I would like to thank all of you for voting and coming. I want to thank all of you for coming here tonight and voting. The first category for an award in 1978 is for an upper deck beer man. Upper deck The top vote getters in the category for Upper Deck Beer Man of 1978 are Wayne Fisher, Johnny Squares, hold on to the Johnny Squares, Art Newman, Lawrence, and Glenn Smoller. The winner is, for 1978, for Upper Deck Beer Man, for 1978, the top vote getters in the category were Arlen Carr, I've got a runner-up certificate. The best lower deck beer man, a runner-up certificate for Art Newman. For 1978, David Shanker.
The greatest moment of my life.
The vendor who you have voted to be the absolute sickest of 1978. Top vote getters in the category. Certificates for Corwin Glick, Gary Newman, 1978.
And the winner is...
Come on, you. Of 1978. Eli Lawrence, Goodman. Categories for grubbiest for Corwin Glick. Grubbiest vendor of 1978. It's for a non-beer vendor, the best non-beer vendor. Michael Class, who is today's runner-up for Schway of the Day. And I have runner-up certificates for Melinda Corr and Jr.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it was Bernie.
See if he's here. His nephew's 78. The Rookie of the Year. Last year's winner was Melinda Corr. The Rookie of the Year for 1978 were Robin Smolson, Indy. Certificate here for John Chiropoulos, Colorado. Rookie of the Year for Michael Class.
Yes, ladies gentlemen, here comes Michael Class, the winner of the Rookie of the Year. The Rookie of the Year. Michael, please say a few words.
Thank you. I thank all the people who I paid to vote for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Michael. Thank you. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the fans are going crazy for...
From 1978 by your vote. Top vote getters in this category were Lloyd Rutsky, who I have a certificate for. The votes in this category were Gary Newman, Randy Cadet, Jay Lawrence, Jerry Rayfield, and Johnny Squares. The winner, in 1978, the most demented vendor, we have a tie. Nerd Rosenfeld and Melinda Carr.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Nerd has done it again. Nerd and Melinda, how do you feel, Melinda? Say a few words. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, she's choked up for that. Nerd, how do you feel winning the Triple Crown?
Triple Crown, it's mine.
You heard it, ladies and gentlemen, the Triple Crown. Want a picture of you? And here they are, the two people that won were most demented. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is revolt. This is actually craziness. They proves how. Look at, they're going to try to carry Nerd out on his shoulders. Like, yes, look at him. He's on the ground, Nerd. You got to be happy, man. You got to be.
Your choice for the craziest vendor. The top vote getters for craziest vendor were Wayne Fisher, Johnny Squares, Marvin McCuskey, Henry Woodsmith, and I have a runner-up for craziest vendor for Jay Lawrence, Art Rosenfeld. For craziest vendor, Mike Gold and Lloyd Rutsky.
Lloyd, how do you feel, Lloyd? How do you feel? I'll tell you something, you finny hoodlums! Right, Swift! I'll tell you something, you finny hoodlums! When you walk down there, hold your slits up high! And don't let the screws miss you by! Anything to see your animal there! Big might cut you up! But someday, Nerd will cut him up! Future vendors. Mention his donuts. That was Lloyd Rutsky.
Next category is for 1978's Best All-Around Vendor. The Best All-Around Vendor last year was won by Seymour Pector, and this year I have a runner-up certificate for All-Around Vendor. I have votes here for John Rogers, runner-up category for Eli Lawrence, runner-up all-around.
Let go, Wayne.
Johnny Squares.
Johnny Squares.
There